So, good morning, class. Welcome to the practical session of computer network. So, before I start, hope I'm audible to you all. Yeah, let me know by dropping me a message, or am I audible? Can you hear me, class? Let me know. So, rhythm, you again log in with your name. Rhythm, you have joined with your name. Rhythm Goel. Log in with your UID underscore your name. Do I need to, am I required to tell you each and every time? Is it so? Yes, class. Is it so that I am required to tell you each and every time? Can you hear me, class? Thank you, sweetie, for your response. So today we are going to start a very interesting tool. Who's Vinita Nair? Just tell Vinita says also log in with her name. So today I'm going to tell you a very important tool that being the network admin, you will be requiring that. So I have shared my screen, and this is the WireShark. Can you see? Today we will learn this tool, WireShark. Can you see my screen, class? Is there anyone who can unmute himself or herself and talk to me, so that I do not need to return to the chat box again and again, to the Zoom window again and again to see? Is there anyone? Yes, guys. Let me know whether my screen is visible to you all. Vinita Nair, you log in with your name. If you want attendance, you have to log in with your UID underscore name. Yes, class, let me know whether my screen is visible.
Visible, sir.
Yeah, if you all will respond quickly, we will cover it quickly. All right, any one of you, just take the responsibility.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, thank you. So what is WireShark? First of all, so we are doing experiment number 7, and this experiment number 7 is about capturing and analyzing the network packet. And Jay Mehta is joining with his name. Ask him to join with UID underscore. So this is experiment number 7, and in this you have to capture and analyze the network packet using WireShark. So for that you have to install the WireShark first. You can download it from, and this is free of cost, open source software. You can easily download, install, and you can analyze the packet that you have captured. So what is WireShark? First question. So I will explain the window that is available in this, but before that I would like to tell you what is WireShark. WireShark is a network packet analyzer. Okay, this is a network packet analyzer. You can, being the network administrator, you can watch what's going on inside your network. So what does a packet analyzer do? A network packet analyzer will try to capture the network packet and tries to display the packet data detail, packet data, that the packet you have captured, that detail you can display. So in the past, such tools were, very expensive. Either it was expensive or proprietary, or it was expensive and proprietary software both. But however, with the advent of the WireShark, everything has changed. So WireShark is available for free. So you all may download that. It is open source and one of the best packet analyzer available today. So network administrator use it to troubleshoot the network problems. So you are the network admin, you can use it to troubleshoot what's the network problem. Network security engineer, if you are a security engineer, so you can examine the security problem, or quality assurance engineers use it to verify the network application, and developer can debug the protocol implementation. So you being the student, you can use it Warsaw to learn the network protocol internal. Is it clear, class? This was a brief introduction about Warsaw. Let me know whether it is clear. So now we are moving to the WireShark tool. Is it clear, guys? What the network packet can do? Clear to you all? Are you with me? Let me know. Yes, guys, let me know you all with me. Can I get some response? You can unmute yourself. Raghav, who is the CR of this section? Or Pius? Anyone? Just respond. Is it clear? The brief introduction. You can drop me a message in the chat box. If you don't want to unmute yourself, fine, no problem. I have no problem. But you at least can respond. It doesn't mean how many times I repeat, but I understand you all are. Okay, fine. This is the WhatsApp. Can you see? I'm in WhatsApp window. So you can see whatever going on there, whatever going on in the network, you can easily observe that. So this is the title bar, then the menu bar, then file, edit, go capture. We are interested in capture window. So file, you can, capture the packet, you can save that for your future reference, future use, or you can, open that. So these are the medium. Can you see some movement on the medium? So currently I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. So there is a movement on this interface. So if you want to capture the packet, you have to select the interface. So what interface I'm selecting, whether I'm working on Ethernet? No, I'm working on Wi-Fi. So that's why I have selected this interface. Is it clear? There are many more. But to capture the packet, you have to first click on capture. Then you can directly start, or you can go to the option. After going to the option, you can select which interface you want to, there's some movement at the adapter loopback, then Ethernet. I'm connecting to Wi-Fi, so I will select that only. Okay, so now I will click on start button. So now the packet capture is started, as you can see. So whatever I do on my network, that will be recorded. So let me do over here. Suppose that I am visiting any site. For example, I'm opening the google.com. So in parallel, you can say it is being recorded. Okay, all right. Let me resize the window so that you can also see that. So, and if you ping, the ping record can also be recorded. Suppose that I am using my command prompt, whether my screen is visible, the pop-up screen is visible. Guys, let me know. Can you see my pop-up screen? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me open this side by side. So Janya Sakya is joining at this time. So can you guess she can get the attendance? This is WireShark. Here it is. And okay, then here I'm opening. Whether two windows are, oh, can you see this parallel? This command prompt, my operating system's command prompt, and the WireShark. Whether both windows are visible to you all. This guys.
Yes, sir. Visible.
So suppose that I'm asking which protocol is being used when I run the ping command. Yes, anyone, you can tell me your public IP and I can check whether your system is reachable from my system or not. With the ping command, we do so now. I'm working on live. So you can see here these packets are being recorded. Can you see some UDP? The first is the serial number. So 65,000 packets have been recorded. And there are some, source IP addresses. The second window is source IP. This is, packet list window. Then there is packet detail. Then there is packet byte window at the bottom. At the middle, there is a packet. At the middle, there is the, packet detail. Yeah, can you see that? The movement? Then there is the destination IP address, source IP address, and the destination IP address. All right. Then you can see the protocol, the length of that particular data packet. Then there is info. Whether these all visible class, can you see that? Okay. Can anyone tell me your IP address and I will ping that system? You can reply in the chat box. There's no reply. Okay, fine, no issue. If you don't want to give me, so I can ping any server. Any server, for example, I want to check whether this um, Facebook is, visible or not from my system. Okay, so no issue. I'm checking the Facebook itself. I'm pinging the face. You generally we give the IP address 192.168.1.25. Okay, this particular IP my system is pinging whether it is reachable or not. So you can say the request time is out and this particular host IP is not reachable because I just enter randomly. So guys, can anyone tell me your IP address? Raghav, can you tell me so that I can ping? No issue. I mean, you are absent for me, literally. So suppose that I'm giving cucsd.in. Yeah, cucsd. You can see this is reachable. You can see the CUCSD, the pinging CUCSD.in, that is 104.255.32.116. So yeah, you when I started this is only capturing part we are capturing. Just okay. We will analyze afterward. I'm just canceling, opening. So I hope you all know how you can capture. So if you want to stop capturing, you can stop here. If you want to save this data for future use, if you want to save this data for the future use so that you can analyze that. So click on the file, click on the save, and this data is my today's scanning, that is April 13. Today I'm using WireShark. So for example, here you can see the title is changed now. So this is April 13th, so WireShark scanning. So what comes in scanning? There are some filter. Suppose that you are interested in some IP address only, so you can filter that and you can apply. So filtering the packet comes in the analysis part. So what you want to analyze? You want to see only HTML, HTTP, HTTP protocol. So you will type HTTP, click on this arrow or hit enter. So that is being filtered. Here you can see you are now watching only this protocol. Okay. Any protocol you can type here, you can type either it is TLS. So who is using the transport layer security? Let's see whether there are some. Yeah, there are many which are using the TLS. Do you know what is TLS? Transport layer security. SSL, secure socket layer. Earlier it was. Can you see, guys? You are interested in UDP packet, user datagram packet, right? You can select, hit enter. So all the protocol that you see, that will be only the UDP. Is it clear till now or any doubt? And suppose that I'm not interested. Are you with me, guys? CUCSD.in. This is the Chandigarh University website, and generally this server is down the Blackboard. What is CUCSD.blackboard? Okay, CUCSD.blackboard.com. All right. Whether this server I wanna check is reachable or not. Can you see all the my screen wherever I am browsing? Yes. Can you? Do you know the IP address of this Blackboard? Or do you know the IP address of this CUCSD? Yes, class, let me know. Anyone, you can reply in the chat box. Okay, fine. Let's cancel it. Ping. There is ping CUCSD.in. Let me note down the IP. This is the IP. Okay, fine. This is the IP. Suppose that I'm interested in. I'm interested in only this IP. So how you gonna filter that? For that, you have to write IP dot address addr equal to. So in filtering, you can use C like expression. You all have studied the C language? Yes. Yes, guys. There is equal to, greater than, less than. These are, but greater than, less than, this the length of the packet you can apply. So I have entered this, and let me see whether there are some packet from this IP address. Yeah, there is lots of ICMP packet. So you all know when we use this ping command, what is done with the ping command? With the ping command, we send the echo request. Then in turn, the particular server reply to us with the ping echo reply. So there are two parties, echo request. You are requesting, then you get the reply, echo reply. So can you see these much packets? You can count it easily. So if you click on any packet, you click on any packet, so you can see the detail, packet detail. This is the internet message protocol. So this all minute detail. Even you can get some, the user ID and password. Also you can sniff, packet sniffer. So source IP and the destination IP, you can also find that. So these are, more detailed information. And if you want to come to the byte, you can see that in the byte. I'm returning to Zoom, and let me know, guys, whether it is clear to you all. Yes, let me know. Are you with me? Any doubt till now? I can also demonstrate that how you can, if some user ID and password is traveling in plain text, how you can capture that. So for that, you have to tell me the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Are you with me, guys? Is it clear? Bhanu, Sweetie, only two messages till morning. I have been, speaking. I have been speaking, since last, for 30 minutes. You also, you all are, don't need to say this is, live session. HTTPS secured. So whatever the packet travel that encrypted, it doesn't mean that you cannot capture that. You can capture that too, but remember that is encrypted. Encrypted means you cannot understand what's there. So for that you have to crack that. You have to decrypt that, and decryption take time. It may take hours, it may take days, weeks, months, or even years, depending upon the complexity of the password. Are you ready? You want to capture some? This is the analysis you have done. Okay, filtering is the most important. HTTP, you can go to further detail if you go to HTTP. So in HTTP, you can find there are some get method and post method. Have you worked with HTML designing? So you get some data or you post some data, how you submit the data. This is the frame detail. If you go on minutely, destination, if you go to the more detail, the internet protocol IP version 4, this is the source 192, the source IP. There is the destination IP. You can see internet protocol that I'm using the internet protocol, that is version 4. SRC is the source IP address, DST is the destination IP address. All right, DSCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, ECN length, all the information, theoretical information you can see here. TCP protocol. Okay, can anyone tell me whether TCP is connection oriented or connection less protocol? Yes, guys. HTTP is secure. HTTP, whether it is secure also. I have still 10 to 15 minutes, so I can demonstrate that. I was asking, I will call out the name and ask these Viva from you all. Let me see who's the first. First one is Anand Singh. Can you hear me? Let me know whether TCP is connection oriented or connectionless protocol. What is the purpose of TCP? Rhythm, Vashta Goyal, Kamya, Anant Krishnan, Himanshu. If any one of you not respond, I will mark you all absent. Tell me about TCP. I will not provide attendance for this session to you guys. So, okay, fine. In TCP, you can see some sync, then acknowledgement, lots of acknowledgement before sending the data. The connection is established. When to break the connection, this is the finish, fin. Okay, fine. That's it. Let's see all the packet, how many packet we have captured. So this all comes in analysis part. So let's do some more activity over there. Whether you can see my window side by side. I'm opening it side by side. I'm going to demonstrate you how you can capture. So this blackboard side, if you click, it is starting with HTTP. HTTP, yes. It means I'm providing my username and password. It will travel in, encrypted form. But if there is some site that I'm using and not starting with HTTPS, this is basically over SSL. You took it as secure, but that is, over SSL. Yeah, it is secured. So let me capture one more time. Let me capture one more time. You can directly, click on the options, select the interface, or you can click on the capture. You can close that, the current file I have closed. So from the main window also, okay, there is, 10 minutes only left. Fine, we can do that. So from the main window also, you can select the interface and you can click on the capture. Okay, fine. Here I am opening this blackboard.com. So it is being captured. Yeah, I'm logging in. Suppose that I'm just log out, click on it, logging in. Then I'm using one website that is zero, security, zero web security. This site is, means for the testing purposes. So there is zero bank, zero web security is there. So this website is not is it's saying it giving me the warning, your connection to this site is not secure. So what should I do? So banks have been, giving the guideline from time to time, no user ID and password over HTTP. This is the quotation you can see. So, but okay, fine. what I'm doing, whether the packets are being captured or not. Yeah, it is being, this you can see. Okay, fine. Coloring, I want coloring. You go to the top, bottom. There are many tools you can use. Go to the last packet. Yeah, this is the last packet. And this will keep on saying, yeah. So whatever activity I'm doing, that is being, I'm clicking on sign in. So you can see that in sign in, it changed. So I'm providing my user ID and password. For example, promote CU123. This is my user ID and my password is promote whatever, whatever. Okay. So you can see the changes. When I click on the sign in button, this information in login field and password field will be, sent to the server of the Zero Bank Security, Zero Web Security, and it will be authenticated. So whether it is authorized or not authorized, for that too, the packet have to be, the transmitted. Yes. Okay, the server, told me unauthorized, but yeah, that travel to the server, only then it was, able to tell that. Is it clear till now, guys? Now comes the analysis part. I will stop the capture. Is it clear till now? I have stopped capturing. So which protocol I'm interested in? I'm interested in HTTP. Okay, I'm interested in HTTP protocol. So only HTTP. So after HTTP, I'm interested in not get. No, no. I'm interested in post, get. I get the sign in page. Okay. I double clicked so I can see the more packet detail. Just read it out carefully and you will get some more information. If I clicked on that get package, so I can understand in the packet byte section that this website is running over, it is Zero Web Security. Fine, Chrome. Okay, close it. So I'm interested in post. So one by one I can scroll down and search for the post. Okay, post method. If I click on the post method, okay, fine, HTML protocol. We know that in the post, our packet, carry the user ID and password, the data from our system. So, okay, there might be, many post, as you can see here, but I'm interested not in all. So you can analyze that further. HTTP dot request, what request I made, request dot method. Inside HTTP, there is a method equal to post. So I do not need to click and search and scroll down. I can apply this filter. Okay, here are 4 posts only. So 1 post, 2 post, this is third. I have to check all these one by one and I can get that user ID and password as that is not encrypted. Zero Web Security website, yeah, fine. Okay, HTML. Can you see, guys? This is the packet list and this is the packet detailed. If you click on the HTML form, you can see user login. I just entered Pramod CU and the password I just typed Pramod@CU54321 and I just submitted this form, by clicking on the submit button to sign in. So this user token was assigned to you. And you can also see here in the packet detail also, you can easily log in, user login, promote, CU, user password, promote. Yeah, I'm done. So this much you can do. Okay. What you can do, you can also right click on the packet, right click, then a menu will appear, and from that list you have to click on the follow. What you want to follow? You want to follow the TCP stream, then a new window will appear, and all the TCP stream, this is the post, sign in, HTTP, these are the system generated data. But whatever you are watching in blue, that is user data. So here you can see the user login, promote, CU, user password, promote, this is percentile something, that might be some some value, hexadecimal value, and then there is CU. Is it clear, guys? Let me know. Can you see that? Is it clear? This demonstration, you can also, okay, TCP stream. I was just HTTP request post. Okay, fine. This sign in page I'm interested in. Follow HTTP stream. I'm done. 2 minutes left, and it's still done. So there are many ways you can see the user ID and password. The first method, I just told you that you have to click on the post, and from here you can see that. So give me a quick feedback. How was the session today's? Is it clear to you all? I'm here inside the chat box. I'm done with the demonstration. So only 1 minute is left. If you have any doubt, any question, you may ask, or you can give me your quick feedback. Yes, class. I want to see some response from you all. Is it clear? Any doubt till now? क्या होगा सर, बहुत ज्यादा खाली हो क्या तुम लोग आज? किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है? What is this? Okay, that's all from my side. Do join on the time. This is very important tool. Earlier it was paid, but now this WireShark is freely available. Thank you, guys. Now I can stop recording. It will automatically end at this last minute.